Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, give me that thumbs up, subscribe. We're going to be changing out the air filter element on this 2018 Audi Q5. This is the 2.0 Turbo. Get started here in just a moment. Before you get started, you're going to need a Torx bit set of some kind. I don't know the sizes just yet. And your air filter element. This is the part number for the one I am going with. I'll put it in the description as well for Amazon. So from the driver's side, you want to pop your head. Go to the front. Now coming in from the front. Try to zoom in. That latch right there. So from the top, the air filter element box is right here to your left. It is a sealed version, so don't get intimidated. They are just fasteners. You essentially would just back all these out, all around the box. Loosen up this little coupling clamp, and then this should come right off. Alright, so good lighting is always key. You want to get a flat blade screwdriver. You want to loosen up this little clamp coupling right here. Probably loose enough. Next, these little fasteners right here, these are going to be a Torx 25. You should not use power tools, even though I know I'm doing it in this video. You should use with a hand tool. I'm going to slide this off the filter box. Okay. In theory, this box should come right up. And there it is. I'm going to put it on the floor. Now that I have it on the floor, you can look inside your airbox right here. You see, oh, there's this loose debris. Great opportunity to get a vacuum clean and just vacuum all of it out. So here is the air filter element outside of the box. You see how dirty mine is. You'll notice also that all of these fasteners, it's a nice touch from Audi, but all of it is still secured in place on that top cover so that it doesn't fall. So now I'm just going to compare my new one to my old one, make sure it's the same size. No, it looks the same. Just normal stuff, but you see how dirty my old one is? This is the new one. So right now, if you look at the housing down here, let me zoom in. If you look at this little housing down right here, there's a little locking mechanism. You're going to push it and then turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. You can compare it and see it outside of the box on the new filter. Softly pull that tab up, and when you pull it up, counterclockwise turn. See that? Just be kind of soft so you don't break the tabs. Oh man, look at all that debris. I'm gonna go dump that. Looks like sand or something. Yeah, that's a lot of loose debris. I'm gonna go dump it outside real quick. Ooh, more to come on this. So if you look at this little locking slide mechanism right here, the newer one I actually think is a better system than the old one, because this quite literally just slides right into the slot right here in the frame. Right there. It slides into this little tab. So again, righty tighty, lefty loosey, so you're just going to line it all up right here. Make sure this insert lines up with that hole over there, and it'll click in place just like that. There it goes. Alright, looks good. Little quick update, let me zoom in. So when you line it up, make sure you line it up right here, along with right here, and there's one more in the back. You do have to line all of it up before you're able to lock it in place. Alright, so I'm about to take the shop vac and just vacuum all of this up. Install is everything that you just saw in the video, but obviously in reverse. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up so I can keep the video short, but if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.